यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तन्न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः। अथ श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु राजयोगश्लोकसङ्ग्रहः। श्रीभगवानुवाच उद्धरेदात्मनात्मानं नात्मानमवसादयेत् आत्मैव ह्यात्मनो बन्धुः आत्मैव रिपुरात्मनः बन्धुरात्मात्मनस्तस्य येनात्मैवात्मना जितः अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे वर्तेतात्मैव शत्रुवत् शुचौ देशे प्रतिष्ठाप्य स्थिरमासनमात्मनः नात्युच्छ्रितं नातिनीचं चैलाजिनकुशोत्तरम् अपाने जुह्वति प्राणं प्राणे पानं तथा परे प्राणापानगतिरुद्ध्वा प्राणायामपरायणाः युक्ताहारविहारस्य युक्तचेष्टस्य कर्मसु युक्तस्वप्नावबोधस्य योगो भवति दुःखः तत्रैकाग्रं मनः कृत्वा यतचित्तेन्द्रियक्रियः उपविश्यासने युञ्ज्यात् योगमात्मविशुद्धये समं कायशिरो ग्रीवं धारयन्नचलं स्थिरः सम्प्रेक्ष्य नासिकाग्रं स्वं दिशश्चानवलोकयन् शनैः शनैरुपरमेत् बुद्ध्या धृतिगृहीतया आत्मसंस्थं मनः कृत्वा न किञ्चिदपि चिन्तयेत् प्रशान्तात्मा विगतभीः ब्रह्मचारिव्रते स्थितः मनः संयम्य मच्चित्तः युक्त आसीत मत्परः। अर्जुन उवाच चञ्चलं हि मनः कृष्ण प्रमाथि बलवद्दृढं तस्याहं निग्रहं मन्ये वायोरिव सुदुष्करम्। श्रीभगवानुवाच असंशयं महाबाहो मनो दुर्निग्रहं चलम् अभ्यासेन तु कौन्तेय वैराग्येण च गृह्यते आत्मौपम्येन सर्वत्र समं पश्यति अर्जुन सुखं वा यदि वा दुःखं स योगी परमो मतः सुखमात्यन्तिकं यत्तत् बुद्धिग्राह्यमतीन्द्रियं वेत्ति यत्र न चैवायं स्थितश्चलति तत्त्वतः। Repeat twice after me. युञ्जन्नेवाधिकारस्तेषां युञ्जन्नेवं सदात्मानं योगी विगतकल्मषः युञ्जन्नेवं सदात्मानं योगी विगतकल्मषः सुखेन ब्रह्म संस्पर्शम् अत्यन्तं सुखमश्नुते सुखेन ब्रह्म संस्पर्शम् अत्यन्तं सुखमश्नुते Twice. सुखेन ब्रह्म संस्पर्शम् अत्यन्तं सुखमश्नुते सुखेन श्लोक together. युञ्जन्नेवं सदात्मानं योगी विगतकल्मषः सुखेन ब्रह्म संस्पर्शम् अत्यन्तं सुखमश्नुते युञ्जन्नेवं सदात्मानं योगी विगतकल्मषः सुखेन ब्रह्म संस्पर्शम् अत्यन्तं सुखमश्नुते
युञ्जन् एवं सदा आत्मानं योगी विगतकल्मषः सुखेन ब्रह्म संस्पर्शम् अत्यन्तं सुखम अश्नुते. So we do the Padavibhaga. Come to the 14th shloka of the Raja Yoga Shloka Sangraha. So whatever Patanjali has given, the Ashtanga Yoga, Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi. These are the Ashtanga Yoga. You have seen. Same thing we have been seeing in the Bhagavad Gita, the selected slokas. And after Samadhi, people think that's the end. No, Patanjali is very clear. No? After Samadhi, he talks about the Sanyama, to take you to the higher and higher levels of Samadhi. 8 types of Samadhi he talks about. Vichara, Vitarkananda, Smitarangabat, Sampragnataha, Tadanniha, Asampragnataha. No? So we go to the higher and higher levels of this thing. So for this you have to do Sanyama. Sanyama is the technique. Trayam ekatra Sanyamaha. Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi put together, it's called as the Sanyama. By doing Sanyama, you go to the higher level. That's the new tool that he gives that. So similar thing we are hearing. That here, Evam Yunjan. So go on doing the practice, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi continuously. No? Evam, if you go on doing that, then what happens? Kalmashaha Vigataha. Vigata Kalmashaha. All the dirt which are there, all the mala we have, which are preventing us from going to the higher level, that all get cleansed. So sun is there, dark clouds, therefore sun is not coming out. This thing. Similarly, we have infinite energy, infinite power, infinite freedom, infinite bliss in our original state. That's our Atma-sthiti, Parama Atma-sthiti. That is Brahman-sthiti. But why we are not getting that thing? Because we have covered with 5 layers. Anandamaya Kosha, Vijnanamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha, Pranamaya, Annamaya Kosha. And there are the dirt which is there. That's the Kashaya. So, Mandakya Karika says, Sakashayam Vijaniya. Kashaya which is there. that the dirt which is there, kalmasha which is there, that all has to be cleansed. What is the structure of that kalmasha? It's an imbalance. So we have got imbalance at the body level, the autonomic imbalance, endocrine imbalance, imbalance between the left and the right brain, imbalances in the body, in various organs and systems. This all are the dirt at the body level. Similarly, the pranamaya kosha has the imbalance between the left and the right nostril. That is, Ida and Pingala imbalances are there. Similarly, imbalances in the pancha pranas, prana, apana, samana, udana, vyana. We have the imbalances there in the pranamaya kosha. In the manomaya kosha, imbalance between calming down of the mind and speeding up of the mind. Manaprashamana we have lost. Therefore, we have only developed faster mind, quicker mind, brilliant mind, intelligent mind, and we have forgotten to calm down the mind. So there is a big imbalance. We have grown gigantic on one front and pygmies on the other. That big imbalance. And that imbalance has structured in various emotions. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Pada, Matsarya. All imbalances at the Pranadishti Kashaya there. In the Vijnanamaya Kosha, our avidya, wrong notion, limited knowledge, perverted knowledge, all these things are there in the Vijnanamaya Kosha. And Anandamaya Kosha, we have gone into the Avyakta and do this. So there are imbalances which are the structural dimensions of the Kilbisha. That is the things that we have, the dirt, the mala, or this thing. So what is to be done? You have to bring the balance. Samatvam yoga uchyate. Yoga at all of us is to bring the balance. And that's it. So how do we do? How do we cleanse the system? By bringing balance. No? So yogi vigata kalmashaha. When you do that, what happens? No? Brahma satparsham adyantam sukham. No? When you go on doing that, with a lot of bliss coming up, more and more bliss, more and more. Adyantam sukham, ashnute. Infinite bliss you are going to get. So Upanishads actually measure and tells us how much sukha you get, how much of bliss you get at every level. So starting with Manusha Ananda at the physical level, it goes 100 times more of that is Laksh Gandharvananda, Manusha Gandharvananda, Deva Gandharvananda, Devanam then Brahuspater Ananda, then Brahmanananda, like that, it goes on. If you calculate from the Manusha Ananda, the highest level at the Anandamaya Kosha level, when you cleanse, you get 10 to the power of 20 times the Ananda that we get in the physical thing. And where do you get all this Ananda? Unless you go there, you get right here, Atra Brahma Samashnute, as it is said. You can get all that Ananda, all that power right here itself. And that is the dimension that he talked about. When can this happen? When we cleanse ourselves, when we bring balance at all the levels. At the prana level, body level, mind level, emotional level, everywhere, if you bring that balance, then you get. Therefore, Tyantam Sukhamashnute, infinite bliss you are going to get by doing this thing dimension. And that is the touch of the ultimate reality, Brahma Samsparsham. So this is one of the most beautiful shlokas that we have in the Bhagavad Gita, which tells us that our life is not only for wealth and health, but to get more and more happiness and more bliss. And higher bliss, and that is the dimension that comes. Along with that bliss, you have got that freedom of power, knowledge, and other things also come up.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.